garments, such as the staple denim jackets, is the go-to in everyone's closet, next to the popular t-shirt, of course. And because statement dressing and eye-catching looks continue to drive numbers, that means personalizing and custom printing denim jackets is skyrocketing. And because of heat print technology and all the innovations it offers, you can print denim jackets easily with any type of heat transfer. And there's a variety of different styles to offer. From screen printing to glitter to reflective and dimensional finishes, there are so many opportunities that will yield a high profit opportunity for printing unique garments such as a denim jacket. In this video, I'm going to show you how using 3 really popular CAD-CUT HTV products. Before we start heat application, I want to review some of the things that you'll need to really set yourself up for success for custom printing on denim. First, you're going to need a heat press that gives you a time and temperature readout and of course allows you to adjust pressure. Because we're going to be working with so many different seams and unique structures on this garment, we want to make sure that we are definitely having a heat press that allows me to adjust pressure to compensate for some of those different things. I'm going to be working with 3 CAD-CUT HTVs, one known as Glitter Flake and the other 2 are Soft Foam and Thermo-FILM. I went with these products because they are durable and a bit of a thicker finish, dimensional finish when printing on denim. I really want something to pop off of that substrate and not be too flat or matte so that the dyes in the denim start to migrate through. So these products will inhibit some of that dye migration from happening. Another thing you're going to need is a cover sheet, especially if you are working with heat transfer vinyl. And lastly, your denim jacket. So this denim jacket I absolutely love because we are going to be printing this specific to fans that would wear this to a football game, to tailgating, an outdoor pep rally. And it has the denim, 100% cotton, and then also fleece sleeves and a hood, which I think just adds a lot of more profit opportunity and printability. All right, let's go ahead and dive in using the A to Z heat press. And we're going to start with our first heat application. To start, I'm going to swing away the print head so that I can load on my denim jacket. We're going to start with the back application. And what I'm doing here is just loading it onto my bottom platen so that I'm essentially dressing it and basically getting a vision of how this would be worn. Next, I'm going to take my heat printing pillow and I'm going to insert that exactly where I'm going to be printing. Right. This is going to allow me to be able to heat apply with all of these unique seam structures and it not cause any uneven pressure. Now, before we start heat applying with our heat transfer, we want to ensure that our garment is prepped. So we are going to just do a quick preheat. And this is going to allow me to test my pressure. And it's going to release any moisture or wrinkles that could cause any application issue to be completely freed from the garment. Right? Our first application we're going to start with is the Glitter Flake. So as I mentioned, this is going to be a multimedia application. And anytime I'm doing multiple colors or multiple medias in an application, I always start with my largest design and then I work my way down. So the first application is going to be Glitter Flake, and we're going to put that on the top. And it is actually very close to my seam here. So it's going to be overlapping that just a tad. And that's okay. We like to go oversized with these jackets because the bigger and the bolder the print on denim, the better. All right, so that pillow is going to allow me to be able to easily heat apply right over top of that seam. And I'm also going to grab my personalization here, which is going to be a number. And going to start with glitter flake for that one too. And now we're going to grab our cover sheet and apply for 3 to 5 seconds. That 3 to 5 seconds is going to activate that adhesive just enough to adhere to the garment so that I can remove the carrier and start lining up my other products. And then I don't have to worry about doing a full application every single time I lock down the heat press. So this really helps in all heat applications when you're working with mixed media, because it lets you apply but also kind of speed up that process. All right, next I'm going to go in with the soft foam. That is my next color for heat application. And we are just doing a cool drop shadow effect with this product. Retro prints are extremely popular, especially in fan wear. Anything vintage and retro has been trending a lot. So since we are doing a very trendy garment, I wanted to be sure to incorporate some trendy styles of designs and text elements for this. All right, so both the number and our text up here have that drop shadow. So I'm just placing that in. And we are going to cover it with a cover sheet. And again, this will get that 3 to 5 second tack. Soft foam is a cold peel, so we are going to wait for that to cool before removing that carrier. So far, this is where we are at with the glitter and the soft foam application. Now we can go ahead and complete our 3-color designs by dropping in our last heat transfer, which is CAD-CUT Thermo-FILM. And since we are on the last color of our 3-color design, we are going to let this apply for the full application. And Thermo-FILM is a hot peel, so we can go ahead and remove that carrier. And our custom print on the back of the jacket is complete. So the back of the denim jacket looks great, especially by utilizing multimedia. We're able to warrant a decent amount for just this print. However, there is a lot of real estate on this single garment to take advantage of. We have the fleece sleeves and hood, and also the front of the jacket as well. So to yield a higher profit opportunity, we are going to take advantage of some of those additional print locations. So to start, I'm going to load on my jacket. And of course, we do have these buttons here, so we do need to utilize our print accessories. So I'm just going to load in that pillow right underneath the jacket. My buttons are falling off to the side. I do have an additional button here, so I am going to bring that forward a little bit so that I don't have to worry about those causing an uneven pressure, and I still have plenty of space to be able to print. I'm going to add some more custom text with CAD-CUT Glitter Flake right on that pocket. And we want to make sure that we are protecting our upper heating elements. We want to make sure that we are using a cover sheet during these applications. As you can see, I'm able to peel back that carrier, hot, no pressure issue, got a full adhesion even right over top of these seams. Now I'm going to take advantage of another print area up here near the pocket. I'm going to use my CAD-CUT Soft Foam and do that print location as well. Again, CAD-CUT Soft Foam is a cold peel, so we are going to wait for that to cool before removing that carrier. All right, so our custom print on the left side of the jacket is complete. You can see we were able to print right over top of those seams. Now let's add an additional custom print to the other side as well. And we are going to do this with CAD-CUT Thermo-FILM. And Thermo-FILM is a hot peel, so we can go ahead and remove that carrier. Last but not least, we are going to do a print location on the hood of the jacket. So I'm going to be utilizing that pad by just inserting that into the hood so that I can get my print area isolated from the overlap of the hood in the back and also these very thick seams. Right, my print area is prepped. And I'm going to be using CAD-CUT Glitter Flake to personalize this area. And we'll just apply for the full application. Glitter Flake is a hot peel, so we can go ahead and remove that carrier once that's complete. Okay, so the front of our denim jacket is complete with additional print areas. We have 3 different medias on here, so we are increasing the profit opportunity with this jacket by the minute. Now we have some other print locations to take advantage of. Let's go ahead and print the sleeve. For this application, I'm going to be using this heat printing pillow. This is specifically a slim pillow that is going to work for printing sleeves and even pant legs on joggers, sweatpants, leggings, etc. So I'm just going to insert that into the sleeve. And I'm going to lay the sleeve right on top of my platen. We are going to do a preheat. And I'm going to take my CAD-CUT Soft Foam and place that just center of the sleeve. And we'll apply that for the full application. Now we'll wait for that to cool, and then we can remove the carrier. As you can see, whenever I'm removing this carrier, the product does offer a very nice dimension and raised effect. And it is great for printing on outerwear. So definitely ideal for this style of denim jacket where we can print on the denim and also the fleece. There is a ton of profit opportunity to be had in custom printing denim jackets. For just a single colored custom print on the back of a jacket, it can be sold for $60. But you can sell custom printed denim jackets for upwards of $175 for more personalization, more print areas, and multicolor. And of course, you can catch the eye of unique customers looking for custom printed denim jackets by using mixed media and unique branding opportunities. So use the resources that you have available to you and increase the bottom line of your business for any market that you're serving. For more information on the products used in this video, click the links in the description.